Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install, set up, and configure your app, Nifty Action Automation for workflows in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Then you click on Install to choose an account. And you click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. A page is going to pop up with the custom menu link. Copy the custom menu link. Switch back to the account, navigate to settings, search for custom menu links, and you click on create new. You insert an icon, you give a title, you paste the redirect right over here, give a sidebar preference, choose an account, then you give a role-based visibility and you click on save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account and you search for the custom menu link. You're going to have available apps, search for the app and you click on connect. Then you're going to have the interface of the app itself with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the smart queue video that is going to walk you through on how to configure your app. We have the setup feature. No worries, let's hop into that. Copy your redirect URL and head to the account which we've created online. Head to your app profile. Click on the App Center, click on Integration with API, and you create a new app. You give a sample name, give a description, and you paste the redirect URL, which we copy right here. Toggle on all the scopes, and you click on Create. Then you click on Configure, copy your client ID, head to the account, and you click on Start Setup. Then you copy the client secret, and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. Then you scroll down and click on Allow. And your app will be configured successfully. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the support team. We have the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, configure, and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.